I'm having a look around the rear suspension. I've had a few days off because I've been a bit under the weather. So I'm just going to run a spanner on everything, make sure we've got some tension on what should be tensioned. We'll probably have a look at these bushes, and that one's not quite great. And that one over there is a bit of a mismatch. Might have some floating around. Just make sure we've got some tension on all these bits and pieces. Let's get, so it's got some tension there. Just want to make sure everything's tight, because and once we've got this back on the road, Nev, if it's done a few kilometres, we probably need to go over it and do exactly what I've just done again. This is what I normally do when I'm competing in motorsport, is once I've done a couple of events, I'll go back through and check all the nuts and bolts, make sure we've got tension on it, because you're going to have some movement, and when you have movement, things come loose. Have a quick look under the bench. Okay, so we might have a couple of bushes that utilise, fix up some of those sway bar mount bushes, because I think we probably need to do that. And there's a couple of floating around as well. I think that'll get us out of trouble. That's what I found in my drawer. So the spares there. Next, this side. We'll get that new bushes that side. Out with a measuring stick. And just make sure that's about the same. That side, new bushes. That side, pretty close. While we're here, stick a spanner on these things. Like I said, we'll just double check it, make sure everything's nice and tight. Okay, that one needs to be tightened up. Yep, that's pretty good. I've got some tension on there. Okay, let's revisit this repair I did probably about a week ago, maybe a little bit longer. So if I touch that there, and look at my thumb, it is dry. I think Nev, yourself, Dawn and Brian need to be proud of yourselves. The work that you've done in this car is great. This restoration is quite good. Not quite good, excellent. This is fantastic. For a family, getting involved in a restoration is great. And I'm quite honoured for you to have me look over it on the completion. And I wish more people did. They'd probably get all these cars that you see get sold off before they're completed. They would probably get done. I think you should be exceptionally proud. For a first restoration, this is great. Pressure's good. Sitting here idling. Shake's still out just marginally. Still got no engine temperature. Listen to it. Sounds great.